Now I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos. Adding text to your videos is very important because by default when people scroll on Facebook on their mobiles, the sound of the videos is silent, so people don't hear the videos. That's why embedding text within the videos is very important to attract people's attention and to make them understand the video even without listening to it. So we don't have a voice inside of our video. That's why it's also an additional reason why you should be adding text. So I'm going to show you how to add text in Camtasia. You go in here to annotation and you choose this from here and you put it in here. Okay, so this is the banner you are going to use. You can put it down or you can put it up, it's up to you. I'm going to put it down in here. You can change its size like this, and I'm going also to change the colors. I'm going to make it black. It's a matter of taste. You should do split testing, try different styles for the colors, for the videos, and see what's working better. So I'm going in here and I'm going to pick also the same color for the banner, for the outline, and in here that for the text I'm going to pick the color white because it contrasts better with the background, the black background. And I'm going to add some text. For example, I can add like this: best feeling ever is when. I'm going to keep the same text for the whole first step where I show where the video shows how to put the apple inside of the apple peeler on the fork, and I'm going to modify the text in the next step where I show how the gadget works. So I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to modify it. I have put in here best feeling ever when. I'm going to write in here 3 points. You place the apple in the fork. You keep doing the same thing, adding text over your video. You can also add text like get it now or tag your friends. I'm going to do that. For example, I'm going to add here a banner telling people to get their apple peeler now, like get it now. I'm going to move it up. And I'm going also to add a different text saying, for example, tag your friends. And you keep doing the same thing, modifying text. You can make them smaller. You can try different fonts, different colors. It's up to you. Now I'm going to show you how to add emoticons to your video. You go to Google or anywhere you want and you search for example, smiley face. I'm going in here. You can pick any one of them, it's up to you. For example, I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to click save as, and I'm going to save this photo in here. In Camtasia, I'm going to media, I'm going to add, I'm going to my downloads files, I'm going to pick this one, and I'm going to add it in here, for example, near this one. You can do the same and add emoticons everywhere you want. You can add hearts, you can add smiley faces, you can add whatever you want. You can also change the colors of the text. For example, if I want to change the color of one word, I can do that. I can select this word like that, and I can change the color from here to, for example, red. Let me choose red, and this is it. You can always change the color, the font, and the size of the text in any way you want. So now I'm going to show you how to add a logo, your logo inside of this video, so no one would steal it. You can do that by adding your website title or your brand title in here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go in here to annotation and you click on text and you add a text and you add it all over your video if you want, and you put your brand name in here. You make it like this, you rotate it, you change the color to gray for example, then you go back to videos and you change the opacity like this. You can make it larger, you can remove it to the side like this, it's up to you, and you change the opacity. In this way you add your brand to the whole video and nobody will be able to steal it. So now after we've learned how to add your logo to your video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your video. Adding background music is very important and I highly recommend you to add music to any video you are going to use. So in here I'm going to add a track, I'm going to insert track below, and in here you can add a music, any music you want, or you can choose one of the libraries of Camtasia. For example, in here I'm going to pick this one, I love this one, and I'm going to lower a little bit the sound, and this is it. Now I have added background music to my video. The last thing you should be doing is to render this video, or in simpler words is to produce your video. So you finish all the modifications you want to make, you rewatch your video and make sure that everything is exactly as you want it, and you produce this video. To produce this video, to render this video, you just have to go to share, to local file, you can choose custom production settings, next you choose MP4, next you can keep these settings as they are, next, and you click on finish. Or you can go back in here and choose to render your videos by these sizes, it's up to you. Now I'm going to show you the final result of this video. I have done several modifications. I have optimized this video, I have added the music, I have changed some things related to fonts, and I have produced my video. I hope you loved this lecture and I hope it will help you create an awesome video using Camtasia. Stay tuned with me and let's meet in the next lecture.